Hey guys, welcome again. Good day, good evening, good afternoon to you wherever you are watching me right now. Today I want to talk about 5 practical business ideas that you can start at home. 5 businesses that you don't even need to go house there to hustle before you make money. All you have to do is to sit down like this, work and make money. So what are these businesses? This video I'm going to share them with you and give you hint on how you can start. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and the bell icon beside to be smashed so that you can be notified whenever I drop helpful tips like this. So without much ado, let's go into the video. The number one business that you can start at home to make money is freelancing. You see, freelancing is one of the top 10 ways to make money online. Like, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to serve under someone, you don't have to serve time. All you have to do is to stay wherever you like, maybe at home, your school, at the party, at the beach. Then you work and you make money. Like, I am a freelancer, I don't go out to work for someone, I don't miss client. All I do is to get online, meet my client online, work for them, and I get paid. And before you can become a freelancer, you have to learn a skill at least, and that skill should be what you can sell without you having to meet people, like face to face like that. And we have a lot of skills that you can learn. We have web design, we have graphic design, we have social media management, we have a lot of them. In fact, most of the digital skills online today, you can do them at home without going anywhere, and you're going to make a lot of money. I put a link in the description below, maybe at the top here, or I just put the link so that you'll be able to learn some skills or see some skills that I recommend, like top 18 skills you should learn if you want to become a freelancer. Now, so number one way is to become a freelancer: learn a skill, get online, work online, get paid online. So let's go to the number 2 way. So the number 2 business idea you can start at home is called making jobs. I know you may think this is out of the line, like this is definitely not what you're looking for. Most people think making jobs is for those who are in extreme poverty. Making jobs is for old people who don't have a way to live their life. Yeah, no, that's not really the case. We have made it totally. Making jobs is a very lucrative business if you're not the shy type. Like, these people are making a lot of money, but if you want to start your own, you have to start in a more professional way. You don't necessarily need to hawk pop-off, you don't need to hawk buns, you don't need to hawk agro. It's a business that you can start maybe in your school, maybe you're at home, anywhere you are. You can just start a business and you make a lot of money from it. And let me give you hints on how to go around this business. The number one way is, if you are making these jobs, you can take them to someone who's like a retailer, and that's someone will help you to sell it. All you have to do is to collect your money in bulk. This is an example. Let's say we are making plantain chips. Now, these plantain chips, when you made them, just package them, then you start going to shopping malls. Then you sell them. Maybe you are selling one is 100 naira, and okay, you sell it to them at 12. That is a dozen at the rate of 1,000 naira. 12 should be 1,200, but you are selling 12 for them at the rate of 1,000 naira. So they are going to make 200 naira profit on every dozen they sold. So they'll be very happy to sell for you because they are also going to make money. So that's number one strategy. Just make the jobs, give it out to people who will sell them for you, and both of you are going to make money. Then the number two approach is, if you see a strategic place, maybe a place where people passes every day, they can't do without passing that place, maybe like your school stuff, run the bus, stuff like that. You can actually get a spot there, then hire what we call sales girl or sales boy. Make your jobs, just give it that to the sales boy as a girl, then that person is going to sell it for you and remit the money back to you. So that's another way to make money. You don't have to pop off, you don't have to carry it along. All you have to do is to do it at home, then give it out for selling. So that's number two business that you can start at home. And this thing is very lucrative. I don't know, maybe I take this rubbish. Yeah, it can be rubbish, but money is actually there. Money is actually there. Imagine people selling it. They are sending their children to schools, they are paying house rent, they are eating. Money is there. People just don't look at the dirty side of it. So let's go to number three. The number three business idea you can do at home is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make it online. Like I am now, I'm also an affiliate marketer, but I'm not fully into affiliate marketing. Like I said earlier, I'm into freelancing. Like I work for people and I make money, but sometimes I also do affiliate marketing to make money. And how does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is very easy. All you have to do is to sign up with some companies that allow affiliate marketing. Then you help them promote their products and you make money from that. So you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to meet anybody, you just have to stay in your room, do all the process online, share the links online, then you get paid online. So we have a lot of companies that allow people to join them as affiliate marketers. In fact, almost all the companies. So as in Nigeria, I will put a link in the description below to share with you a few companies that allow affiliate marketing where you can make money with them. So affiliate marketing is a very lucrative business that you can start at home. Now, the number four business that you can start at home is laundry business. Laundry business is very lucrative. It's very lucrative. But some people we think this is a dirty job, like it's for those who are in poverty as well. No. Laundry or cleaning business is no longer for those who are in poverty. Like people who are big, they are now doing this business. They are now doing laundry and dry cleaning, and they are making money from there. If you can do it, why not put out the shame, kill it, and you make your money? You don't even need to go anywhere. All you have to do is to stay in your house, do everything, do the cleaning, iron it. Then maybe you fix a day during the week to deliver the clothes. That's all. And to do dry cleaning now, you don't need to be washing the clothes yourself. If you have the capital to start, you can just buy the washing machine. Then you use machine to wash them. You iron them when they are dry. Then you deliver and you make your money. This is a very lucrative business, but people are not looking at it because they think it's for dirty people. It's for those people who have totally lost hope. But it is not the case. I know how much I spend on washing my clothes, and there's no way I will not wear clothes, and I don't have time to wash clothes. So I have to give out to people who are in the business of dry cleaning to help me wash my clothes. Then I pay them. So people are not looking at this business idea. Like, you don't have to spend anything. All you have to do is to buy soap, then wash it in the wash machine, iron it, and you make a lot of money. On a client, you can make up to 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira, depending on how professional you are and how your service is. So laundry and dry cleaning business is very profitable, and it's part of what you can do at the comfort of your house. Last business that I will recommend is called dropshipping. Dropshipping is very, very lucrative. Dropshipping, it's something like having something like having e-commerce store where you sell stuff. Maybe e-commerce store where you sell mobile phone, where you sell computers, accessories, stuff like that. And this thing are out in demand. They are selling very fast. Now, dropshipping simply means you don't have to buy all these things. You don't have to buy mobile phone, you don't have to buy the laptop, but you can still sell them. You don't have to buy clothes, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to have them, but you can do what? You can sell them. And this is very, very, very crazy and lucrative business. All you have to do is to sign up with a company, or let me say a supplier. Then you market the product. When people order for that product, then you tell your supplier, and your supplier will deliver to the person. Then you make money from the difference. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say this clothes cost, let me say, 5,000 naira, for instance. Yes, it's like 5,000. Is it 5,007? So let's say this clothes costs 5,000 naira, and you know that people are buying this type of clothes around you, or someone that's requested for the same or a texture like this. So all you have to do is to go to supplier, tell the supplier, I want to sell this clothes. Then you and the supplier will reach an agreement. Okay, the supplier will say, okay, I will give you at the rate of 4,000 naira. So you sell, I give me the 4,000 naira. Then fine, you can now, if you like, you can now sell this same clothes at the rate of 10,000, 7,000, whatever you like. So now you will now take the clothes and show the buyer, okay, this is the clothes you need, and it costs 8,000 naira. And because that buyer really need it, you may say, okay, let me pay 7,000 naira. Then you sell at the rate of 7,000 naira, and you paid 4,000 naira back to the supplier. Then you make 3,000 naira as your profit. That's just an example. People are making millions of dollars on dropshipping. So I put the link in the description below so that you can learn more about dropshipping and how you can start. So these are my 5 recommended businesses that you can start at the comfort of your house without going anywhere. I will be updating this video in the future to tell you more about these business ideas and how you can start. So if I are still new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now for quick recap, let me recap everything I've said. These are the 5 businesses that I recommend you start at home. The number 1 is freelancing. Before you can start freelancing, you have to learn a skill. And when you learn a skill, a digital skill, you can sell the service anywhere you are. The number 2 is making chops. Making chops is not a business for the poor. It's a business for professionals, for those who care about making money, for those who are not shy to make money. Then the number 3 is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very, very easy. All you have to do is to help companies or brand market their products, then you earn commission along the way. Then the number 4 is laundry and dry cleaning business. Laundry and dry cleaning business is very profitable as well. If you can just do it, it's very, very profitable. Then the last one is called dropshipping. Dropshipping is very, very lucrative. All you have to do is to get a product online, sell it online, the supplier will deliver, and you make your money, and that's the end of it. You don't have to go anywhere before you can do any of these businesses. And I will put a link in the description below, some links, so that you will read more on how to start each of these businesses. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's meet again.